Very good day, guys. Welcome back. So today we are again meeting. So we are going to discuss here in this video series of the histology about the blood vessels. So here you can see under the microscope I have mounted the vein under the slide of the vein under the low power. So as we know, the vein is draining the blood from the organ toward the heart, right? So blood entering the veins are under very low pressure and they are moving toward the heart by contraction of the tunica media and from the external compression from the surrounding muscles and the other organs. So these are helping the draining of the blood from organ toward the heart, right? So these walls are projecting from the tunica intima. The walls are present in the veins which are projecting from the tunica intima, so that there should not be the backflow of the blood toward the organ again, right? So most of the veins are small or medium veins, the diameters being less than 1 centimeter. You can see here I have mounted the medium sized vein. So these veins are usually located parallel with the corresponding their accompanying muscular arteries, right? Very good. Then we can see here the intima is usually thin, the tunica intima layer. Okay, so you can see very prominently, very clearly the tunica intima, which is covered by the simple squamous endothelial cell layer, which is connected to the wall of the vein through the subendothelial connective tissue. Okay, so these are very thin layer. The subendothelial layer is very thin in the veins. And the media, you can see the tunica media, which is separated from the tunica intima by the internal elastic lamina. The tunica media, the consisting of the small bundles of the smooth muscle cells intermingled with the delicate network of the elastic fibers and the reticular fibers. Okay. So now you know why the smooth muscle is present, so that it should contract to return the blood from the organ to the heart. Fine. And then the outermost layer, that is the tunica adventitia, you can see clearly here the tunica adventitia. So this is consisting of the collagenous fibers and it is well developed here, right? So medium veins are showing the thicker wall as compared to the smaller vein, but they are still less prominent than that of the accompanying muscular artery. Means their wall are still thinner as compared to the medium sized artery. That is thin layer. The lumen are larger but the wall are thinner, and they are often folded around the relatively larger lumen. So you can see here the outline of this inner layer. Okay, so this is folded. Okay, you can see here the one fold, the other fold is here, this another one. So this is highly folded on the inner aspect, fine, as compared to the artery. So both the media, the tunica media and the adventitial layer are better developed. Okay, but the wall is folded due to the presence of the larger lumen. Fine. In some veins, this intimal layer can project inside the lumen in the form of the wall, so that there should not be backflow of the venous blood from the direction of the heart toward the organ. So that is the reason, the presence of the wall. Okay, guys. So we will see this slide under the high power of the microscope. The venous wall is highly folded as compared to the arteries we have seen previously. So luminal layer, here you can see toward the lumen, it is consisting of the tunica intima lined by the endothelial cells and subendothelial connective tissue under that, and internal elastic lamina. Then tunica media consisting of the muscle cell along with the elastic and the reticular fibers. Got it? Very good. Then outermost layer, this is tunica adventitia, separated from the tunica media by the external elastic lamina. Okay. So as we go toward the heart, so size of the vein increasing in size, so larger vein will be having. The outermost layer will develop adventitial layer containing the blood vessels, lymphatics, and the nerves. Okay, guys. So this was all about the histology of the veins. So thank you very much for your patience and listening. So we will meet again in the next video like this. Till then, thank you very much. Goodbye.